Your carton folder keeps jamming and making loud noises? 99% chance it's missing lubrication. Let me spill the tea on the must-lube parts. Keep them oiled, and your machine runs smooth AF for years. Daily lube, 2 drops each, no skip. Folding knife guide rod, oil daily. No more stuck blades. Front stop support shaft. A little oil equals precise paper feeding. No misalignment. Weekly maintenance. Don't sleep on these. Paper stop guide rod. Lubricate smoother feeding. 0 jams. Air pump grease fitting. High temp grease only. Keeps pump cool and steady. Monthly deep care. Core parts need love too. Camshaft plus drive chain. Douse with oil once a month. Power transfer 100%. Folding roller pressure bracket. Oil the sliding parts. Folding accuracy stays on point. Bearings and gears. Fill gearbox with 150 # lubricating oil. Less wear, longer life.